Howdy, howdy. Well, we got our hands full with this bread truck. I mean, hands full. Wow. Anyway, let's get up there, up against the crusher, and let's jeez Louise. I'm over it. I'm about to stop recording. Nothing. Is this like some real deal Detroit steel? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I don't think that's still gonna be good enough. We got our work cut out for us on this one. Alright, let's get on the corner. I was putting the coals to it. What y'all think? I think we got it. I don't know. It's gonna be so fun trying to get this thing in the crusher. It was like the first thing he drug out when I got here was like, hey man, the last guy that was here, he said he couldn't do it. You got a cowboy hat, so I mean that means you can do it. So I mean, he drug it out like one of the first things when I got here. I was like, yeah man, I gotta do some other crushing first. But alright, I can't run over whatever that deal is on the bumper that I ripped off. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we're gonna be alright. Sorry I wasted all y'all's time. It ain't easy being easy. Alright, so what we're gonna do is try to set it up there, see how bad it is. It's bad. We gotta get that rig down more than that. We got to. We don't have an option. Probably need to, well, I'm not knocking the wheels off. I'm gonna try to reach over and crush it down a little bit, Oh, I can't even reach over the thing. I do not understand how any of y'all put up with this. I just watched this dude waste all my time. It ain't easy. We didn't do nothing. Guess I can start shoving this way. Spin it around. That's the only way it's gonna work. I can't even climb over it and crush the other side. Probably gonna spin this stupid thing around. I got one side folded down. If I could just get part of it just hanging on the crusher. Alright, look. We got a little bit in there. That's all I want. If I get the rest of it in there, then I can just shove it, crush a little bit of it, put it in there, crush a little bit of it. Alright, let's see what's up. I'm dropping the lid. I ain't got nothing in there. Let's drop the lid. What I tell ya! Just stick with the cowboy. Just stick with the cowboy. I promise. Just stick with the cowboy. Woo! It ain't easy being easy. It ain't easy being easy. Oh, GMC bread truck. Or value van. My bad. I have no idea what year it is. Wow. Freaking cool. You have to start everything in life, everything with nothing is impossible. You have to have that in your brain. Y'all be careful, be kind. Nothing's impossible. Thank you.